If you want to change your Steam profile picture, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update your Steam avatar step by step. Whether you want to use a custom image from your computer or pick one of the avatars you've already unlocked. I'll also show you an important limitation with animated profile pictures so you know what is and isn't possible before you get started. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account you want to edit. Once Steam is open, look at the top area and click your username. From the menu that appears, select View Profile. This takes you directly to your public Steam profile page, where you can change your profile details. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. Click that to open your profile settings. This is where Steam lets you customize your name, bio, background, and avatar. After that, you'll see a menu on the left side. From that sidebar, click Avatar. This is the section specifically for your profile picture. Now you have a couple of options. If you want to upload your own image, click Upload Your Avatar. Then browse your computer and choose the picture you want to use. For the best results, pick a clear, square image so it displays nicely on your profile. Once you select the file, Steam will load it into the avatar preview so you can see how it looks before saving. If you don't want to upload a custom image, you can also choose from the avatars already available in your account. These appear in the Your Avatars section. Some of these may have been earned through games or account activity, so it's worth checking that list if you want a Steam-style profile picture without uploading anything new. One thing to keep in mind is that animated pictures work a little differently. Steam does not let you upload your own GIF as a profile picture. If you want an animated avatar, you have to purchase one with Steam points in the point shop. So if you've been trying to upload a GIF and it isn't working, that's completely normal. Steam only allows animated avatars through the official point system. Once you've chosen the image you want, whether it's a custom upload or one from your avatar list, make sure everything looks correct. Then scroll down and click Save at the bottom. That final step applies your new profile picture to your Steam account. After saving, you can go back to your profile and confirm the new image is showing properly. And that's it. Your Steam profile picture is updated. It's a quick change, but it can make your profile feel much more personal and polished. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.